Hi everyone, in this short video we're going to look at how you can use an AI to take a research paper and basically create a very quick summary of that for you so you can understand what's in there and also get a handout almost like you've attended a lecture on this, and this is the thing that's going to help you remember the content. A great way to cut through some of the complex language and sometimes long explanations you get in academic writing. All right, I've got ChatGPT open here and I've uploaded a research paper called Focus on Form, a Critical Review by Rod Ellis. And I'm going to ask it to basically summarize the paper for us, write it like you're explaining it to a busy teacher who's deciding whether or not to read it, and then rewrite this as 5 bullet points, give me a 3-sentence version, and then finally rewrite it as if it was a handout from a teacher training session. So let's see what the AI comes up with. Clear, simple summary. So it looks at focus on form, explains what focus on form is. Here's the 5 bullet point version, the 3-sentence version. Focus on form, drawing students' attention to these things. It's evolved from being purely reactive and implicit to a broad set of techniques. Research supports its value, but results depend on the learner level. All right, and then here we go. Here we've got like the teacher training handout version, right? Imagine this is the sort of one-page overview. And yeah, there you go. So that's a very quick and I think quite useful prompt if you're perhaps thinking about reading something or you want a very quick summary of what the paper talks about.